everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a super cute fabric scrap Christmas tree drawstring bag. Perfect for little gifts, sweet treats, or festive decorations. Alright, let's get started. Trace a round pattern and cut out 2 layers of interfacing. Now it's time to play with our fabric scraps. Place your first scrap over one corner of the interfacing with both the interfacing and fabric right side up. Sew it in place. Take your second scrap and line up the edge you want to sew, right sides together with the first piece. Sew along the edge, flip it open, and add a top stitch. Repeat these steps until the whole interfacing piece is covered with fabric scraps. Give it a good press with your iron, then trim away any excess fabric. You should now have 2 crazy patchwork Christmas tree shapes. Cut 2 lining pieces in the same shape. Next, cut the fabric for your tree trunk. Fold it in half, sew along the sides, and turn it right side out. You can add a little stuffing if you want it to look puffy. Place the tree trunk at the bottom edge of one outer piece, pointing inward, and sew it in place. Now take one outer tree piece and one lining piece, place them right sides together, and sew along the top edge. You'll end up with 2 pieces that are half outer fabric and half lining. Place these 2 pieces right sides together and sew all the way around the edges, but make sure to leave the bottom of the lining open for turning, and leave both top side openings on the outer fabric unsewn. That's where the drawstring will go. Trim the corners carefully without cutting into your stitches. Turn everything right side out and poke out the corners neatly. Close the gap at the bottom of the lining. Sew a line around the top edge about 1 to 2 centimeters down. This will be the drawstring channel. Thread your string through the channel, go in through one opening, all the way around, and out the same opening. Repeat from the other side if you'd like a double drawstring. Tie little knots at the ends. And that's it. Your fabric scrap Christmas tree drawstring bag is ready. Pop in some sweets and you've got a joyful little handmade gift. You can make them in different sizes and fabrics too. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.